Narendra Modi will be sworn in tomorrow as India's next Prime Minister in the presence of 3,000 specially invited guests. Security agencies have begun preparing for massive ground-to-air security around Rashtrapati Bhavan. The VVIP list includes heads of state and representatives from 8 South Asian countries, as well as a number of diplomats and military attachés. These images are of the place at Rashtrapati Bhavan, the forecourt, where that swearing-in ceremony will take place. The security agencies have banned the use of any unauthorized aerial vehicles in the airspace around the capital, and movement around central Delhi has also been restricted.
मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि इसमें जो भी राष्ट्रपति भवन के आसपास जो एरिया है उसमें सारी सिक्योरिटी लगाई जाएगी और जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स है जो है हमको रिक्वायरमेंट है साउथ ब्लॉक, नॉर्थ ब्लॉक, रेल भवन, वायु भवन और डलहौजी रोड के पास में जो भी बिल्डिंग है सारी बिल्डिंग को क्लोज किया जाएगा और जो भी जो रफ़ी मार्ग के बाद में और तीन मूर्ति के बाद में साउथ एवेन्यू और नॉर्थ एवेन्यू में वही लोग जाएंगे जो रेजिडेंट्स हैं या जिनके पास लेवल्ड व्हीकल्स हैं। बाकी रूफटॉप पे सब पे स्टाफ लगाया गया है, कमांडो की भी तैनाती की गई है, एयर डिफेंस मेजर्स भी लिए गए हैं और सारे के सारे एरिया में पूरे के पूरे पुलिस फोर्स की पेट्रोलिंग होगी।
Well, the stage is all set and behind me is the same very set where Narendra Modi and Pranab Mukherjee are going to stand and the oath-taking ceremony will take place. Unprecedented arrangements being done and obviously you can see a lot of cleaning up, a lot of new chairs have been put in place and obviously massive arrangement for cooling the guests who will arrive way before the function begins at around 4:35. There is a media stand. We also know there is a stand for refreshment. Most people will come inside and perhaps have meal or snacks, as we say, inside Darbar Hall. But at this point of time, this is that particular place where in the backdrop of Rashtrapati Bhavan, this massive oath-taking ceremony where heads of state of SAARC as well as VVIPs, which includes Bollywood actors as well as politicians, all will be here, but definitely this is going to be one event to watch out for. And obviously the stage has been set and most people obviously have their eyes on this very set itself. With camera person Manish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for Headlines Today.